Welcome to Rebuild Your Life, a lifestyle development project to help you build a better life. This is our video on varicose veins and ways of dealing with the problem. Varicose veins can be a painful condition that affects millions of people. It is caused by the valves in your veins not functioning properly. Blood then flows backwards, enlarging them, and causing swelling and pressure. Obesity, aging, and pregnancy can make you more prone to getting varicose veins. The symptoms of varicose veins include a blue appearance of veins, bulging veins, spider-like veins, soreness, swelling, and skin discoloration. Treatment of varicose veins ranges from managing the symptoms to operations which remove the veins. What are some of the ways to alleviate and help varicose veins? Elevating your legs after long walks or standing for long periods of time can help, as varicose veins are caused by improper circulation. Compression stockings can also be beneficial. Studies have shown that compression stockings can help correct blood circulation in your legs, which diminishes the pain, swelling, and progression of the varicose veins. Anti-inflammatory medication can help when varicose veins cause pain. Acting as a blood thinner, as well as acting as a painkiller, this can help your blood travel up the affected veins a lot easier. However, there is a risk of internal bleeding with this medication. Diet and exercise will benefit those with varicose veins, as obesity is a major factor in the development of these veins. Losing weight and a healthy diet, plus gentle exercise, will do great things for your blood pressure, and therefore lessen the pressure on your damaged veins. Another option is to get the varicose veins operated on. There are many different methods of operation. However, 5 to 60% of people who have the operations done experience a recurrence of issues in other veins. Laser therapy is also used, but for superficial veins only. This too has the same recurrence issues in other veins. For more information, click on the links in the description. Also, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive updates when new videos are posted. Have a healthy day.